Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about wireless and Bluetooth devices. In this video we're going to talk about how they can be used on stage. If like me you play guitar or bass guitar, mandolin, uke, whichever instrument you play, you often have a lead going from your instrument to your amplifier and then to the PA system. Well, I tend to use wireless guitar transmitters receivers for this task. It's one less tripping hazard on stage. So you have a device that goes into your guitar, the other device goes into your amp, and there's no lead on stage. I also apply this to microphones as well, so there's no leads trailing on the floor. It means your band members can move back and forth with no tripping hazards, and it also includes other people coming onto the stage as well. With Bluetooth devices, if I'm playing with my smaller group, often there's just me on guitar and a singer, I still use wireless guitars and I still use wireless mics, but my PA system has a Bluetooth receiver, so for my tablet or laptop on stage or even my phone, I use Bluetooth and send the track to them. That also means if you can't get access to your mixing desk, you can control all the volumes from the stage. So you control the microphone volume, your guitar volume and your backing track volume without leaving the stage, because all of these devices have volumes on. So I highly recommend wireless and Bluetooth devices. Now I must say, some people will say you lose a little bit of quality when not using guitar cables and leads and stuff like that. Personally, I have never noticed. I tend to use a bit of distortion on my guitar with my rock band or fuzz, so the loss of quality might not matter as much to me as it would to other people. So if you can, and they are not dear, these devices, go wireless and Bluetooth. It does free the stage up and it means you can move around more freely. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. And as always, goodbye.